just opened my Facebook, literally just opened my Facebook Business Manager, and I realized that I have a 300 ad credit from Facebook for free to promote my shop. And today I want to walk you step by step how you can have that 300 ad credit as well if you have a Facebook Business Manager and a Facebook ad account. Before I start, make sure you smash the like button, you subscribe, because in this channel I cover everything from Instagram growth to Facebook ads, blogging and SEO, everything that can help you improve and improve your business. How did I get this notification for the 300 ad credit to promote my shop? I just normally open my Facebook right here, then I click here and I open the Business Manager. Okay, now the way I open my Business Manager might be different from you, but I literally come here on ads usually, and then from here I come here on go to Business Manager, and then at this stage I have multiple ad accounts, I have multiple business accounts, but then there's only one main business account that I use, which is this one where I have different ad account, about 4 ad account. So I open that one, and then just at the home page of the business account I saw this notification for a $300 ad credit to promote the shop. I guess the reason why Facebook is probably giving ad credit for people to promote is because with the coronavirus, a lot of shops and a lot of big companies, are putting pause on their Facebook ads. So Facebook is sort of incentivizing people to promote on their platform, either Facebook or Instagram. So it basically says, now you can customize your shop and make your product stand out. Get started and receive a 300 ad credit to promote your shop on Facebook and Instagram. Again, I don't know how it's going to be like at the end, but if you follow along with me and if you see this type of message on your business account, then follow along with me. I just clicked on customize shop. After clicking on it, it opened the Commerce Manager, the Facebook Commerce Manager, for the account where they want me to spend the money. So basically I have 2 sales channels. I have this account where I was credited, and I have only to spend that on product related to this Facebook account. And I can add an Instagram account as well. We will add an Instagram account later on, an Instagram account that's eligible for shopping. If your Instagram account is not eligible for shopping, you cannot. They have 3 steps to basically get the 300 ad credit. Create first step, you create a collection. Create your first collection. We just click here on create collection. We give our collection a name. This is optional, we don't have to. Cover image. Okay, so we have imported the cover image. We change the name to Wildlife Clothing, and then we click on next. The next thing is that you need to select product that you already added to your catalog. Okay, so first, that means you will need to have product in your collection. How do you have product in your catalog? Basically, on the home page of your business account, you come up here and then you click here on Catalog Manager. That will take you to this catalog page. You see, this is the list of catalog that I already created, and so these are different. A catalog is basically like a basket where you add like multiple products from your store. And so to create a catalog, it's simple. You just come here on create catalog. If you don't have a catalog, for example, this is just a quick video, you just click here on create catalog, and then from there you can select products sold online, meaning e-commerce. You select the type that you want, you configure the settings, and then you import your product. Again, it's very simple. You can even go on Google. Okay, I don't want to make this video long, but you can go on Google or on YouTube, and you can type how to create a catalog on Facebook Business Manager. You will watch a video on that. You create your catalog. Now, I already have a catalog with approved product, and then it says here, select 6 to 30 items from your catalog to create a collection. You can add additional items to your catalog in the Catalog Manager. All items are reviewed to ensure that they follow commerce policies. rejected item will not show up in your collection on the collection page. Items individually sorted for each buyer based on their interest. As you can see, I am allowed to choose between 6 and 30 items, and I have product that are already approved. So let's say I want to add this in my catalog. You can see here approved. I want to add this in my catalog, that's approved as well. Add this, it is approved. I want to add this, that's approved. And I want to add something else, maybe this t-shirt. It's not approved yet, but let me add another one that's approved. This bracelet, it is approved. I already added that. And then I'm gonna add this one as well, that's approved. Suppose these are the product that I want to advertise on. Then I just click next. 7 items are selected. Once you review the collection details, they are reviewed to make sure they follow our commerce policy. This is a standard procedure that can take up to 24 hours. So I'm just going to click confirm. When I clicked on confirm, it sent me to the shop builder, and it says this is where you can choose which collection you would like to add to your shop and customize your shop look and feel. So if I click on get started, I just selected the collection 1 and I assign this little collection that I created with a few products. Instagram, because I haven't added an Instagram account, there is no way to see how it will preview on Instagram. So I'm just gonna, but you have to add an Instagram that is approved for shopping. So I'm just going to publish the update, and it says a collection is currently in review. This is a standard process. It can take up to 24 hours. Click publish now to continue publishing your updated shop. Approved collection will be immediately visible in your shop on the Instagram and Facebook mobile app. Blah, 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 blah. Publish now. Okay, you can view your updated shop on the Facebook mobile app. On the shop side, and it says create an ad to promote your shop. A 300 ad credit will be applied to your ad account. So now this is a 300 ad credit that I don't have to spend any, like I did not do anything to get. This is free money that Facebook is basically giving me to advertise on their platform and basically get profit out of my sales. Anyway, let's go ahead and try to create it. Okay, so you basically select your ad account, and then you select your collection, which is this one. This is how it will look like. Okay, beautiful. You can change the image of the collection. So this is how it will look like: the name, the sponsored, and then the estimated daily results. Special ad category, ads about credit, employment, nope. Okay, so the audience, this is where you can change the audience. People will like my page. Okay, the people will like already my page, they're more likely to buy these. So people will like my page, or people I choose through targeting. In this case, I will be specifying the target here. But then I'm just going to go with people who like my page because I have enough people liking my page already. Duration of the budget, 5 days, blah, blah, blah. The total budget, I cannot change the total budget because that's 300 ad credit. This is amazing. I'm not doing anything and Facebook is basically giving me 300 ad credit. Anyway, now the placement, I can only select Facebook because I have not added in my Instagram account. The Facebook pixel, I have no pixel. I can select this pixel. And then the payment method, if you see here, that is ad credit. You may get more than one bill for this ad. Your PayPal will be charged for any amount spent beyond the value of your ad credit. Now I want to tell you something. If you receive this, be smart. Make sure you only spend up to 300, because if Facebook keeps running your ad until above 400, then you will pay the 100 extra. I mean, if your ads are profitable, then go ahead and spend more. But if your ads are not profitable, then cancel the ad after the 300. Anyway, now you can, if you hit publish, if I hit publish right here, Facebook will start showing my ad, this ad right here in front of the people who like already my page, and they can shop from Facebook, get on my website, buy whatever I am selling, and then boom, I am making more money. So this is the free money that I am receiving from Facebook. And I think if you have a shop, if you have a Facebook shop set up, if you have created catalog, okay, if you have imported already product from your online store into a Facebook catalog, if you don't know, go on Google then on or YouTube, type how to create a Facebook catalog, and then if you receive that notification right here, then you just click on customize shop, you add the product to the catalog, to a collection, okay, and then you create your collection right here. From the collection will be added to the shop, and then from the shop you can create an ad where basically Facebook will provide that 300 credit to your account. Amazing. Now if you like what I covered in this video, and then if you want to see a lot more videos, useful videos like that, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, because in this channel I cover everything that can help you from Instagram growth to Facebook ads, blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing, and more. Okay, so if you don't want to miss future weekly videos, make sure you smash the like button, you subscribe, you press the notification bell, and until next time, take good care of yourself. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.